Hey loves, my house is in need of a total reset. There's just messes everywhere. We need to do dishes, we need to do laundry, we need to clean, so many things. So get it all done with me today. Make sure you're subscribed and that you like this video, and let's go. There is nothing better than an entire home reset, and you can feel so good and at peace in your home. So let's get to cleaning today. We're getting started in my bedroom. I love the feeling of fresh, cleaned sheets. So let's strip this bed down, wash the sheets, and get this cleaning party started. I'm also grabbing all my towels so that I can have fresh towels for the week ahead. So let's take everything down to the laundry room and get your bleach on. But I do love having all white sheets and towels just so that I can wash everything with bleach so it's extra crisp and clean. Next part of this reset, I like to figure out what I need to order from the grocery store each week. I always do an online order, so I either go pick it up or occasionally I can get it delivered if it's just a really crazy week. It's a lifesaver. But I'm going to do a clean out of the fridge, get rid of anything that isn't good, and take inventory of what I need to order from the store.
What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection.
Once I get that trash out, I'm going to move on over to the pantry to do the exact same thing over here as the fridge. Toss anything if it's expired. Mainly do a straightening of the stuff that was shuffled around when the kids grabbed snacks, and assess what I need to order from the grocery store. And those videos were obviously sped up, but it is already time to change out that first load of laundry and keep this laundry train moving. All right, we're gonna make a little Halloween style buffalo chicken dip. So I found these really cute tortilla chips at Target that are the Halloween colors. I thought that was awesome. And also just a little shortcut that I love. They make this already shredded chicken in Target. I think other grocery stores have this too, but I love picking this up when I'm there because I can open it. Let me get my scissors. But I feel like it's just so easy to be able to throw right into any recipes like this one. So I'm gonna start by throwing in all that shredded chicken. And then you need 2 blocks of cream cheese, 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then a bottle of Frank's Red Hot. You could do ranch or blue cheese dressing. I grabbed ranch, and you can just put this all in the crock pot, and it's really just until it gets warm. Give it a good mix around, then it is ready to serve. But I'll show you the little Halloween hack after this sits in here for a little bit of how to make it really cute for I will show you how to make it really cute for a Halloween party or just for spooky season at home when you're having those cozy movie nights. Next part of this home reset, I like to make sure the kids' bedrooms are in order. It wasn't too bad in here today. I've got to say, the Skylight calendar has really been helping with this because it has all the chores for Landon and Presley, and they love pushing the buttons to check off their chore list. So on there, I have to make their bed and keep their room clean. So you can see, I didn't have to pick up much. I did just straighten things a little bit. I know I'm a little OCD. And I sprayed some Cap and Queen room freshener on all their bedding to make it smell super fresh and clean and refreshed in here. And oh my God, it just smelled like fall in here. It was amazing. I was using the Golden Autumn Apple scent. It was our September scent. If you got this one, let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. And make sure if you missed out on this and you want to try these monthly scents, don't miss the next pre-order. The October Pure Pumpkin scents, if you pre-ordered that, they are coming your way, being shipped out at the end of this week. And then the holiday scents are going to be launching for pre-order really soon. So be on the lookout. And truly just thank you again so much for your support of Cap and Queen. I love seeing your reviews and I so appreciate your input. And we are making some improvements on our shipping times moving forward. We've moved to a new facility, So just thank you for your patience as we got this started with our soft launch and figuring out just a better way to do business and get our products to you. And I cannot wait for you to smell the Christmas scents. Oh my gosh. So watch my Instagram for when those are going to be available for pre-order. And now we're just going to sweep up all the floors. This time last year, if you've been subscribed since then, you might remember I replaced all the carpeting upstairs with hardwood floors. I'm so happy I did that. So many of you had told me for years that I would love it, and I really, really do. I have that rug in Hayden's room, and I'm trying to figure out right now how to make over Landon's room and Presley's room. So if you have older kids and have any, you must do this for their room, can you please let me know that in the comments? I do know I want to get them both comfy rugs, but I want to figure out the decor for them first before I do. But the hardwood makes it so much easier to clean in here, especially with the cat and dog, just way less mess. So thank you to everyone who encouraged me for years to do this. It was really great advice. Next part of this reset, going to clean the downstairs bathroom.
I'm just gonna drive you.
My sheets were finished being washed, so I'm going to put those on the bed and make the bed. Oh, it truly is just the best feeling going to sleep with freshly laundered sheets, especially after they're sprayed with the Cap and Queen room freshener. It is heavenly.
I'm just gonna drive.
Let's head back to the kitchen to put away the clean dishes from the dishwasher. I know for me, this can feel like it is never ending sometimes, but let's get up and get those dishes done together today. You've got this.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes.
The sink had really gotten loaded up with dishes too after having some friends over. So now it is time to load all those dirty dishes into the dishwasher. We did a little game night and we played a game called Blank Space. It is so much fun. I highly recommend it if you're looking for something fun. Ideally, you have a larger group. I would say the best size would probably be 6 to 8 people. You can still play it with 4, but I think it was perfect. We had 7 people and it worked out perfectly when 7 people were playing. Then I had a couple things I needed to hand wash, so washed all those items and gave the sink a good old scrub down.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who.
Moving into the kids' room, this is where they have snacks and do homework and work on crafts, so it's always a little messy, so I'm gonna clean off the table.
You can make it.
And here is my family command center. It used to be the extreme dump zone, if you saw that video, but it is staying way tidier lately. Just needs a little tidy right now.
See it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes.
And then I needed to straighten up the shoes in the closet. Just made me feel loads better to see them all in order.
Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who. You can make it. If not, says who. Yeah, you can make it too.
Now we're gonna do a quick tidy of the family room.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh.
And the kitchen countertops needed a good wipe down, so hitting all those counters as well as the appliances, so it has a good reset and is sparkling clean for the week ahead. And I'm using the Cap and Queen Pure Pumpkin Multi-Surface Cleaner in here. If you ordered this, you are just going to love cleaning with this one for October. It smells like a clean pumpkin paradise.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do, you got me going on.
Now that everything is wiped down, I'm going to vacuum and mop the floors.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you.
Towels are ready to be folded, so let's get that tackled and put them all the way in the bathroom to be ready for the week ahead.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much.
I'm going to do a wipe down of the bathroom sinks and countertops so they're sparkling clean. And I'm using the Calm Coconut Mint in this bathroom because I feel like I'm being transported to a Hawaii spa, even though I'm still cleaning after a very long day. But the house is reset. Yay! It feels so good. You can do it too. You've got this.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
Oh my gosh, look how good this dip looks. Obviously, keeping it in a crock pot is great if you need it for over a party and people are going to be coming in and nibbling at it. But let me show you using, I found this little dish. I just washed it at Target, and this bowl was from there too. How to make it really cute. We're going to dump the chips in this chip bowl. Oh man, there's kind of a lot of broken ones. It's sort of a bummer. And then I'm gonna scoop, give it a good stir before I do this. Kailua down. She's walking on the stove right now. That's, by the way, why I think my stove buttons, I've realized, like my stove keeps resetting itself to like January 1st, it says, and the clock is always wrong. And I'm pretty sure it's because Kailua likes to walk over the top of the stove top. It was really funny that all these people, I shouldn't say all these people, you know, the Gossip Girl gang, I don't know what I should call them. They all like to comment on my last morning routine video that I'm a liar because my stove clock was wrong. No, just have a cat that locks on my stove buttons. All right. Here's what you do next. On this bowl, I'm gonna use the sour cream. And the way you want to do this is so that it looks like a big curly Q. Yeah, we'll make it look so cute, Kailua. Just wait. Yeah, just wait. It'll look so cute. I'm gonna kind of fill in a couple of these gaps here. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my toothpick and like from the center, kind of run it through. And we're gonna make a little web of sorts. I don't know if it's working. You guys, I'm laughing so hard. This was such a fail. I'm going to try to do this better. I just don't have time before today's video. So I'm going to try to make it better on Instagram. But yeah, here's spiderweb buffalo chicken dip. I mean, it should be really cute in theory. Just I couldn't execute today. I'm still just laughing at this hot mess. Hope you enjoyed this whole home reset. It honestly feels so good. I wish I could just end it on a better note with a better looking spider dip. But you know what? It might look really, really crappy. I can't even get a chip up. It still tastes really good though. Already have a couple bunch. I'm gonna finish this. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more. Check out some of my other fall and Halloween clean and decorate with me videos if you want all the spooky seasonness. Sorry, I'm talking with food in my mouth. Just a warning, there might be a week off because of my sister's wedding and having to go out of town for it. And you know, it's hard to kind of do a lot of things in advance when I also have so many things I need to do before we head out of town. So just an FYI, pay attention to Instagram because I will let you know if there's going to be a week where I can't post a video. But just thank you for all your support and follow on Instagram so you get to see all of our trip and my sister's wedding. I'm sure I'll be posting stuff on there a little bit. But all right, bye loves.